Business Source Ultimate allows you to find articles, country reports, SWOT analysis, and much more. Searching Business Source Ultimate can be done in the same way that you search in Google, DuckDuckGo, or any other search engine. Simply enter the term that you're looking for and get the results. We will search for articles containing the term golden parachute. This term is the compensation paid to an executive when they leave the company. In the middle of the page, under Search EBSCO Host, there are several search boxes. In the top search box, we will enter the term golden parachute. We will do this with double quotes, as we want only items with that exact term in it. Now hit Enter. This should return several thousand results sorted by relevancy. Let's make this a little more specific by adding a date parameter and a source type parameter. Only articles from the last year and only items from academic journals. At the top of the page, above your search results, there are several boxes. We'll open the one titled All Time and select Past 12 Months. The results will automatically update once you do that. Next, we will select the box labeled Source Type and choose Academic Journals. After that, click the Apply button at the bottom of the menu. The results list will be further updated with only articles matching our criteria. We can now select an article. Under each result, there is a box titled Access Options. Click Open the Access Option menu and select PDF. From here, you can do anything from reading it online, downloading it, printing it, etc. To do this, you use the icons located in the top right of the page. You can repeat this process for as many articles as you need for your project. That's all there is to it. For more information on how to use Business Source Ultimate, contact any of the UA librarians and they will be happy to assist you.